What is going on, guys? My name is Michael and I am here with 1043 Media, and this is my 2015 Ford Mustang GT with a 2.9 liter Whipple supercharger. Channel here on YouTube, so check it out. Make sure if you like this video, you smash the subscribe button. This way we can get the viewers going, start getting this channel up and running. But this right here is my 2015 Ford Mustang GT with the 2.9 liter Whipple supercharger put on it. It's been custom tuned down by National Speed in Wilmington, North Carolina, and it's been tuned to 750 wheel horsepower. We're going to be going over this video a little bit, talking about what all I've done with it, giving y'all a brief description of what we can look forward to on this channel. Alright, so I bought this thing back in 2016. On it, it only had Cook's long tube headers and an MBRP exhaust, full exhaust catback. Since then, it has gone through a whirlwind of changes, both mechanically speaking, as you can see there. I mean, that's just obvious. And then also cosmetically speaking, we've got an Anderson Composites GT 350R wing back there in the back, and then some Ace alloy wheels up here in the front and in the back. Let's start here in the engine bay. As you can see, the 2.9 liter Whipple supercharger, that's got the 132 millimeter intake, and then internally we've got the MMR oil gears. Wow, can't talk. We've got the Mishimoto radiator coolant reservoir. And then we've also got the Mishimoto larger radiator and Mishimoto hoses right there. As you can see, the not the intake tube. Wow, blanking on this. It'll come to me. Oil catch can. It's the oil catch can. That's what that is. That's pretty much what we've done to the engine bay. Like I said, it's got Cook's long tubes on it. You can see them. Maybe you can see them. Not really, but you can see. There it goes. You can see the Cook's long tubes right there. They're not coated or anything. I got them like that. And then I have gotten rid of the MBRP exhaust. Was not a fan of it. Had terrible drone. Absolutely terrible drone. Since then, I've put on the Corsa Extreme exhaust, and I could not be more pleased with that exhaust. That exhaust has been absolutely amazing. I get compliments on it all the time. But mechanically speaking, that's really about all that we've done, and we ended up making 750 wheel horsepower off of that with the tune. It is tuned on 93 octane, not on E85, not on any racing gas. It's a straight 93 octane tune. And then the very first thing you're going to see exterior wise is we've gotten the Roush front fascia installed as well. Had it paint matched here locally. I mean, this thing, I love the way that this front fascia looks, especially with the front splitter and the canards. Had these made to fit the Roush front fascia. I mean, it just adds a whole new level of meanness, I guess you could say, to this. Also, I've got the American Muscle complete light tint kit. You got the headlights, got the fog lights, the turn lights. I mean, it's all over the entire car. Got everything, every single kind of light that you can imagine has been blacked out. Kind of going with the white and black theme. I know, really original, but it looks good, so you can't knock it. And then, like I mentioned earlier, we got the Ace alloy wheels right here, still running the 19s. I went with a 19 by 10.5 in the back with a 305 35 19 tire. Got to get into the threes. I mean, if you ain't in the threes, you really got a fatty out the back. And then the Anderson Composites GT 350R wing. I love this wing. I have gotten so many compliments on it since it's been installed. The carbon fiber weave is just amazing on this thing. There's no issues out the box. I mean, I plan on ordering so much more Anderson Composites material because it's amazed me, their quality that they have. It's really good. We're going to be eventually, the rear valence back here is going to be Anderson Composites. The side skirts will be Anderson Composites. Who knows, maybe a new hood too. I was really looking at the GT5 hood that they have. That'll pretty much match the GT500 hood. I think that would look really cool, especially having the blower popping out of the hood through the vents. That would look pretty cool in my opinion, but we'll see. Maybe something to look at into the future. Alright there guys, that's pretty much going to sum it up for today. Not really trying to get too much involved in the very first video. It's the very first one, so we're trying to ease our way into it, do this whole video editing thing. I wanted to start off pretty easy with the first video, just give y'all a quick little introduction of my main car. And yes, it is a daily. It is a daily. I daily drive a 750 horsepower Mustang. That's going to be a separate video talking about what it's like daily driving a 750. Then we've also got the bike, Gixxer 750. It's a 2016. We're going to be doing a review on that as well. And then the last review I did of my police car, which was a 2008 Dodge Charger, went pretty well actually. So we've got a new one now, 2016. So we're going to be talking about this one here in a little bit as well. And if my opinions have changed from the 2008 Charger to the 2016 on whether or not I would buy a used police car. But like I said, it's pretty much going to sum it up for today. The next video, you can guarantee that there's going to be some exhaust notes, some driving, a bunch of other fun stuff involved. This one was just a quick little overview of the mods that I've done to this. I love this car. I can't wait for this channel to hopefully get up and going. Can't wait to see what happens. If you liked it, please give me a like. Please hit the subscribe button so we can keep this thing going and I can keep modding this thing and provide better content for y'all. Take care.